crammed in here.
Boy.
You cold, Darn?
Yep. Darnelius. Darnelius is cold.
That manual transmission. Low 5-speed.
I hate this car.
What's that say? 25th anniversary. That boy got that 25th anniversary.
Yep. Hell yeah. Bro, you got that shit right on the, somewhere on this bitch right here. Z28.
New drift whip. Tino said, fuck the BMW, we going American Muscle. That German shit was too much.
All the power. It's fucking chilly out here.
Certified so far, Tino?
Certified. Blaze is ringing me up. Should we pull up on him?
Tell him to pull up on us.
He don't want him to see it yet until tomorrow.
Oh. Why? What's tomorrow?
What up?
We're actually gonna...
You're heading to Shell.
He just said he's coming to Shell.
Yeah, we're at Shell. Fucking the Jerkosaurus Rex. Alright, I'll see you in a second, Gabriel.
What you think of the new drift whip, Tino?
Yeah, good
Definitely try it? Yeah, he said to put more in.
The dash is cold on this thing. Automatic dash.
5.0 with the headers.
Right here. Nice intake on this shit. Plugs and wires. Headers. Got Tino down there working on the motherfucking car. The boy don't know exactly what he's doing, but
We're done. Here, let me see the camera.
done.
Right here. Just installed these wires right here. These two. Had to put these two bolts on. I don't know if you can see that one way up there. Had to do that one and shit too. Excuse the language. Pardon my French.
Grab the light when you slide out.
We don't know what these are for, but we'll figure that out.
How do we test the spark plug wire? Or actually, maybe we can watch that. Yeah.
I would assume we gotta replace those as well, but we got some titanium spark plugs. We're gonna give those a rip, see what happens. Got a distributor cap. Seal bundle. Gotta just change a lot. We just do what we do. I don't know. That looks pretty freaky empty. Let me see a new one.
Yeah, but it's not going to be the spark plug that's your issue. It don't really matter what one is. What's one? This is one, right? 2 is here.
He's so chill, bro. Hander? Super chill. I was like, whenever we were pulled up, like every time we pulled up on him, actually, or I have at least, feels like he's chill.
I know he's been doing cars for like 6 years now or something like that. 5 years ago, he posted it last summer that it was like his 5 years, like fully dedicated shop building shit.
Is that why he gave like those like that thing that Damon got?
That was just like the end of the year Christmas giveaway. He's like,